Coding World, Lesson 8. Controls in Scratch. In the previous class, you learnt about the different actions a sprite can perform on the Scratch stage. In this chapter, you will learn how to perform the various mathematical operations and apply conditions to get the solution to a problem. Using sensing blocks. The sensing blocks palette has light blue color-coded blocks which are used to detect the input entered by the keyboard while executing the script. Some of the blocks have been explained below. This block asks the user to enter the input text. This block is used to store the input entered by the user. It automatically updates its value to the most recent input. Let us create a script by using sensing blocks and execute it. Step 1. Delete the default cat sprite by right-clicking on it and press the delete button. Step 2. Click on Choose Sprite from the library. Step 3. A sprite library opens. Select Avery from all category. Step 4. Now, choose Backdrop category from library. A backdrop library window opens. Click on Basketball 1. Step 5. Click on the Script tab and Events block. Select the When Green Flag Clicked block and drag it to the Scripts area. Step 6. Click on the Script tab and the Sensing blocks. Select the Ask What's Your Name and Wait block and drag it to the Scripts area. Click on the Text area and type, Hi, how are you? Step 7. Click on Looks block and drag Say Hello for 2 seconds block to the Scripts area. Step 8. Go to the Sensing block and drag Answer in the Say block. Step 9. Now, click on the green flag to run the project. Using Operators block. Blocks in this category are used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Blocks of this category are round in shape and light green in color. These blocks are used in combination with other blocks. Pick random 1 to 10. It is used to pick the random numbers from the given range. Length of word. It is used to calculate the length of a word. Let us perform calculations in a Scratch project using these blocks. Step 1. Open a new Scratch file. Delete the default cat sprite by right-clicking on it and press the delete button. Now, click on Choose Sprite from library. A sprite library opens. Select Gobo from all category. Step 2. Click on Events block and drag the When Green Flag Clicked block in the Scripts area. Step 3. Select Looks block and drag the Say Hello for 2 seconds block in the Scripts area. In the text area, type, Can you tell me the output of 20/4? Step 4. Select Change Color Effect by 25 from Looks block to Scripts area. Now drag to the Scripts area. Step 5. Select Say Hello block from Looks block. Step 6. Click on Operators block and drag Division in the Say Hello block. Step 7. Click on Green flag to run the project. Comparing values. Operators block is not restricted to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can also compare values using blocks available in the Operators block. The result of the comparison is either true or false. For comparison, it includes the following: less than condition. It returns the true value if the first value is less than the second value. The equal to condition. It returns the true value if the first value is equal to second value. The greater than condition. It returns the true value if the first value is greater than the second value. Let us create a project using comparison blocks. Step 1. Create a script by dragging the blocks as shown and type the numbers inside the greater than block. click on the block to run the script. Likewise, we equal to block. Try the following scripts and check the result. Generating random numbers. Pick random 1 to 10 block can be used to pick random numbers from the given range of numbers. Let us create a project using this block. Step 1. Delete the default cat sprite. Add chick sprite from the library. Step 2. Go to event block and drag the when green flag clicked blocks to the scripts area. Step 3. Click on the green flag and the chick will pick and speak the random numbers. Changing location randomly. You can use random blocks to specify any random location of a sprite on the stage. Step 1. Open a new project. Delete the default cat sprite. Now, add elephant from animals category from the library. Step 2. Click on the events block and drag when flag click to the scripts area. Step 3. Pick repeat 10 from the control block and drag to script area. Step 4. Now, pick change color effect by 25 from the looks block and drag it to the scripts area. Step 5. From motion block, drag glide 1 second to x-100 to 130 block to scripts area. Step 6. Now, pick a block from the operators block and add as values to x and y. Change the values and pick a random block as shown in the figure. It will randomly change the x and y coordinates of the sprite position on stage. Step 7. Pick stamp from pen block and drag to scripts area in repeat block. Step 8. Click on green flag to run the project to observe the sprite changing its location randomly. Counting length of a word. Scratch blocks provide the feature to count the letters that are used to form a word. Let us create a Scratch project to count the length of a word. Step 1. Open a new project. Step 2. Now, drag the blocks in the scripts area as shown in the figure. Step 3. When you click the green flag, it will run the project. Making a variable. A variable is an area in the computer's memory that has a name and that stores data. You can change the data in the variable during program execution. The main types of variables are numeric or string type. Let us create a project in which you will learn how to create a variable and store value in it. Step 1. Open a new project. Delete the default cat sprite. Add a new sprite Devin from the people category in library. Step 2. Now, click on the data block in the scripts tab. You will see two buttons there. Click on Make a Variable, but a new variable dialog box opens. Step 3. Click on the radio button to specify whether the variable is for all sprites or for this sprite only. Type mother's name in new variable name. Click the OK button. Step 4. A mother's name block will get added to the block. Step 5. Now, you need to write a script for a sprite and assign a value to the variable mother's name. Step 6. Drag the blocks as shown in the figure. Step 7. Run the script by clicking the green flag. Conditions in Scratch. You can do programming in Scratch also. You can apply various conditions in a program. For this you can use the control block. This block contains the various conditional blocks which include if, forever if else, etc. Some of the control blocks have been explained below. Repeat 10. This block repeats the set of blocks for the specified number of times. Forever. It is the infinite looping block. You need to press the stop button to stop the looping. If then. It is a conditional block. You need to specify the condition by placing the diamond-shaped block from Sensing Block palette. If the condition is true, it will execute the blocks contained in this block. If then else. The if then block does nothing when the condition is false. For this, if then else block is used. If the condition is true, the blocks after then are executed. Otherwise, the blocks after else are executed. Repeat until it is again a looping block. Here the set of blocks are executed until the condition is satisfied. Tech fact. In computer science, a numeric value contains numbers while a string value contains characters, that is letters and symbols. Here is a Scratch program using control blocks. 1. Open a new project. 2. Delete the cat sprite. 3. Add Shark 2 from the library. 4. Add backdrop, blue sky, from the backdrop library. 5. Now, drag the when green flag clicked block from the event block to the script area. 6. Drag the forever block after the when green flag clicked block. 7. Add the move 10 steps block in the forever block. 8. Add the if then block after the move 10 steps block. 9. Now, from the sensing block, drag a block in the condition box in the if then block. It is used as a condition whether the sprite touches the mouse pointer, then execute the blocks in the if then block. 10. From the motion block, drag point in direction 180 in if then block and change the value of 90 to 180. 11. Drag after it. 12. From the looks block, add an after block. 13. From the motion block, place block outside the if then block as shown in the figure. 14. Then run the script by clicking on the green flag. To stop the project, press stop button. Knowledge Zone. Scratch is created by Mitchell Resnick. Scratch is a block-based visual programming language and website targeted primarily at children. Users of the site can create online projects using a block-like interface.